Sveiki, mes atvykome į Balį. Kaip jautiesi atvykęs į Balį?
Gerai, mačiau.
Šilta, gera, karšta, drėgna. Na, labai gerai. Nepalyginsi. Realiai, kaip pirtis namie, tik tais erdvėje. Tai vat, mūsų daiktai, važiuojam į savo viešbutėlį. Čiau.
O, nusipirkau trumpus marškinius, tokius 2 marškinius nusipirkau. Parto vadinasi Suka. Bet kame bairis, tai po to aš važiavau ir žiūriu, kitose parduotuvėse tokie patys marškiniai, aš manau, kad ten Sukos brandiniai marškiniai, taip.
Čia geras marškiniai.
Jo, šitą nekelsim, tai vlogą.
Nekelsim šitą vlogą. Man reikia kuriuko, kortelės. Ai, pusryčių, tai aišku, čia toli yra.
Kur mes esame, Raudai?
Atsėdom išgerti šeiko, Evaldas pasiėmė 2 Sirijaus mas, tai vadinasi rimta masė. Evaldas priauginėja masės, pasižiūrėsim po mėnesio, kaip atrodys. Planuoja bent 10 kg iššauti. Damn, bro, so delectable dolls dancing and prancing. Hi, you have toilet? Yeah. Where?
Aš nežinau, kur važiuoti. Aš suspėjau. Ne, rimtai, nu dabar svarbu.
Neblogai.
Reikia nukirst.
Neblogai.
Gatvę, tai užžiūrėti GPS reikės tau.
Nu ką, čempionai pasiruošę?
Let's go!
Ką, brolis?
Pasiruošę.
Nu ką, brolis?
Let's go!
Let's go!
I was about to grab it. Beautiful.
Ginger is a white color.
Yeah, okay, it's like... Yeah.
Then what we're doing here is we're just frying it with liquid nitrogen. Okay, not because it looks cool. It's the way it's emitted to the mattress. Okay.
It looks so beautiful. Vietinis jų
Nežinau,
riešutas.
čia yra bulvė su vietiniu riešutu.
Vietinis riešutas. Kas neaišku daugiausiai.
Aš ir galėčiau pasakyti apie 2 vietinius riešutus.
Ready? 1,
2, 3! Wow!
Tostą pasakėjai.
Tostą!
Tai tada sudaužim.
Nu tai už draugus. 12 mėnelis.
Alright, so here's your dessert.
Yeah.
Name is a milk chocolate with black rice peel on the top, with fried curry leaf, and in the big there is a calamansi crouton. Or from the left there is red wine chocolate, lemon jam macaron, mango fruit roll, and the last one is cocktails bonbon.
Okay.
So the first one with the last that is
Oh my God.
liquid restaurant. Yeah.
Oh, here is the restaurant area.
At our garden. However, for now we just focus on the dining.
Važiuojame dabar epic kelionę. Pradžioje bus kryžių laukai, toliau aplankysime šventyklas.
Nieks iš mano chebra, dūminamės Mersė,
Centre dėjęs kersą, tu ateisim į koncertą ar šiaip į teatrą, jo. Vienas draugas užaugino, top klasį limuzino, paragavom, pavaišinom, gerą maišą prikabinom. Jis nenori reklamuotis ir vis tiek čia afišuotis, nes visiems
top secret. Leidžiam mums.
CBD, THC, RSO, secret CBD, THC, RSO, secret CBD, THC, RSO, secret CBD, THC, RSO.
What is the comment for today?
And we were driving a lot. The days was a very long day, hard day. We had some few breaks, you know. We had a lot of rocks on the road, you know. I had to change my tires 5 times. Got the additional tires, you know, from my team. Like this was today very challenging, you know. I hope we have a good time this today, and I hope that we'll go up into a few positions because I see that a lot of drivers were stuck in this rocky road. Also, there's some like religious stuff going on, and we couldn't drive through. And like. This is intense, man. I didn't thought that like this race like will be so hard for us, but I see that the team is doing good. I'm doing good. I have little back pain, you know, lower back pain, but I know that my muscle later on and the team will carry. We will have some, I don't know, morphine, and I guess tomorrow will be another day, another road, and we still have left 10 days to win this race, or at least be in top 10. Thank you.
Fajar.
Yeah.
Very beautiful.
Where do you stay?
We're staying, but we're staying in Ubud right now,
Ubud.
in the city center. But
I'm working in Ubud.
no, we just came to see the area
Oh,
and to explore. I hope we were staying, but we're now staying in Canggu, and then we will see. I will go to the village like 11 kilometers from Canggu, where only the local village. Let's see.
You buy motorbike?
Yes, we all buy motorbike. And you're from here, from this area?
Yeah, in our house.
Wow.
My house.
Here?
Yeah.
Wow.
That's amazing.
Auntie.
No, okay, no.
Auntie, yeah?
No, auntie.
Already auntie.
Already take a nap.
Trying to talk and he was like, I don't want to talk, please, no, thank you.
Nice spider, beautiful butterflies.
Like a bottle.
Pasaka. You see the breadfruit?
It's already 2 years.
Breadfruit?
Jo. Čia labai gražu. Magiška vieta.
We're going towards